Once upon a time, nestled amidst the verdant hills, there was a quaint village named Rosewood among the villagers. A young girl named Emily was known for her kindness and generosity. Emily had a heart of gold. She would spend her free time helping the elderly, feeding stray animals, and volunteering at the local orphanage. Her actions were a beacon of kindness in Rosewood. One day, while walking through the village, Emily stumbled upon a mysterious old man sitting by the roadside. He looked tired and hungry, his clothes torn and skin weathered. Despite feeling a bit scared, Emily approached him. She offered him some food and water, which the old man gratefully accepted and began eating hungrily. As they sat together, the old man shared his story. He was once a wealthy merchant who had lost everything in a terrible storm. He had been wandering from village to village, hoping for a kind soul. Moved by the old man's story, Emily decided to help him rebuild his life. She took him to her home, where her parents welcomed him with open arms and provided him with the necessary aid. Emily's parents provided the old man with food, shelter, and clothing. They helped him find work in the village, aiding him in his journey to regain a semblance of his old life. Gradually, the old man regained his strength. He began repaying Emily and her family for their kindness. He worked hard in the fields and helped repair homes damaged by the storm. With time, the old man also started a small business selling handmade crafts. The villagers loved his creations, and his business began to flourish, much to everyone's delight. As the days turned into years, the village prospered under the old man's guidance. The once weary and disheartened man had transformed into a beloved figure, known for his wisdom and generosity. Emily, under the old man's tutelage, learned valuable life lessons. She grew up to be a kind and compassionate woman, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. Emily's kindness had not only saved a man, but also transformed her village into a thriving community. Her actions taught everyone the importance of compassion and generosity. The old man became a beacon of wisdom in Rosewood. His tales of resilience and fortitude inspired many, and he was revered by all, young and old. Emily's act of kindness had set into motion a chain of events that transformed Rosewood. The once quiet village was now bustling with life and was known for its unity and shared prosperity. The bond between Emily and the old man grew stronger with time. They became inseparable companions, always seen together, sharing stories and spreading joy around. As Emily grew older, she became a beacon of hope for the village. Her actions inspired other villagers to act with kindness, and Rosewood became a haven of compassion and generosity. The old man, with his newfound strength and purpose, continued to contribute to the village. His business thrived, and he used his earnings to help those in need, just like Emily had helped him. Their story became a legend in Rosewood. The villagers would often tell tales of Emily's kindness and the old man's resilience. Their story was a constant reminder of the power of compassion. The bond between Emily and the old man was a testament to the beauty of humanity. Their story was a beacon of hope, a symbol of the transformative power of kindness and compassion. As years passed, Emily's tale became a legacy in Rosewood. Her act of kindness had transformed not just one life, but an entire village. It became a tale told and retold, inspiring generations. The moral of the story is that kindness and compassion can change lives and build communities. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. By helping others in need, we sow the seeds of goodwill. Emily's story reminds us that every act of kindness, irrespective of its size, has the power to trigger a ripple effect of positivity that can blossom into something truly beautiful. Emily's kindness transformed a weary old man into a pillar of strength for Rosewood. Her compassion fostered love and unity, turning a quaint village into a prosperous community. And so, Emily's act of kindness and the old man's journey to recovery became a timeless tale of compassion and resilience in Rosewood, inspiring generations to act with love and kindness. In the end, Emily's tale embodies the transformative power of kindness. It serves as a reminder that every act of kindness can create a ripple effect, transforming lives and communities for the better.